In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit BigCommerce themes. Whether you're a business owner looking to refresh your online store or a designer aiming to enhance a client's website, BigCommerce offers a straightforward process to change the look and feel of your storefront. Let's dive into it. First, head over to the BigCommerce website. Once you've arrived at the homepage, you'll want to look for the Login button. It's usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and you'll be taken to the login screen. Here, you'll need to enter your credentials, so type in your email address and password associated with your BigCommerce account. After doing that, simply hit the login button. Once you're logged into your account, you'll land on your BigCommerce homepage. From there, your next step is to navigate to the storefront section. You can find this option in your dashboard menu. Clicking on storefront will take you to a set of options geared towards customizing your store's appearance. Next, in the storefront section, you'll notice the themes marketplace. This is where you can explore different themes available for use. Go ahead and click on it. Inside the marketplace, you'll have the option to choose between free and paid themes depending on your needs and budget. For this video, let's explore the free options. Click on free themes to narrow down your search. When you find a theme that piques your interest, simply select it. Before committing, it's always a good idea to see how the theme looks, so take advantage of the preview feature. This allows you to view the theme in action, giving you a sense of how it will appear on your store. If after previewing you're satisfied with your choice, go ahead and click Add Theme. Following this, you'll see an option to apply theme now. This step finalizes your decision and begins the application process of the theme to your store. A confirmation window will appear. Click Confirm to proceed. This ensures that the theme change is officially updated on your storefront. Finally, to view your changes, simply click on View Storefront. This will direct you to your store where you can see the new theme in action. And there you have it, a newly customized storefront ready to attract and engage customers. Remember, tailoring your store to align with your brand identity can significantly impact customer experience and conversion rates. So take your time exploring the different options and find the theme that best represents your brand. With these steps, you've successfully learned how to edit BigCommerce themes efficiently. Happy customizing!